Hi, my name is Claudette Maloles, and I am a health promotion disease prevention major, and I am the class of 2024. The reason why I pursued the health promotion and disease prevention degree was more so because I liked looking at the person at a broader perspective rather than looking at them from their disease. And so focusing on the public health of a person is really underrated in terms of medicine now these days. And so the health promotion and disease prevention program really allows us to learn and grow to understand people from this perspective. As an emergency medical technician, I'm pretty much first on scene to patients who need emergency care. And so this program has really solidified that looking at a patient holistically can improve patient outcomes. So a research that I was a part of was the GRIT lab with Dr. Whipley. I specifically created a literature review / database that's specifically about the lack of pre-hospital / emergency medical services in Africa, specifically in Nairobi and Johannesburg. And that really has aligned with my line of work as an emergency medical technician because it's helped me learn the specific differences between our healthcare system here and between the healthcare system in Africa, and how both need dire changes into the system. I chose USC specifically because of the Trojan Network. And so the Trojan Network is so vast within the school. Like when you're out in the street, you can meet someone who's a part of this family, and it made me realize how interconnected we are as a people from this school and how we support each other at the end of the day. And also the financial aid was great here. It paid for most and almost all of my tuition. And so from there, it helped me navigate school and really helped me focus on school rather than working full time. I think he's been an advisor for me for 2 years since I transferred here. And he has helped me throughout the process of USC. I mean, the help he has given me is just, I can't even say it because there's so many words I could say for Din. He has helped me when times are rough. He's helped me as a friend. He's a very personal person. And so I really appreciate what Din has done for me throughout my time at USC. And as an advisor, he has really navigated me through what I should be taking and what I am capable of. And he's taught me to become the best version of myself. And so, yeah. The amount of people there are on campus, like I love the liveliness of USC. The people I've met, everyone here is nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sure there's other people who are nice everywhere else, but specifically at USC, I haven't met one like mean person. Everyone's here for each other. Everyone's gonna help each other out, and everyone's trying to push each other to the best of their capabilities. The hurdles that I had to jump over in order to get here and to finish here. Just being a first generation American and coming from an immigrant family, you don't really know what you're doing or what your plan is for the future. And so I'm proud of finishing and becoming the person I am today.